I'd say on average, a divorce usually takes about 5 to 6 months. What you find in reality is what I call it's front-loaded. So the process involves the divorce application, the form filling, filing at court, paying the court fee. But once it's up and running, it largely takes itself. So it is really painting by numbers through that process. But when you're dealing with the court, the papers need to be reviewed. The judge behind the scenes needs to make certain orders for the conditional order, basically the interim divorce order, and ultimately to approve the final divorce order. 5 to 6 months, I'd say, is the average. People can affect this process and the time that it takes. It might be that the other party is not really willing to engage. They might not want this to happen. They might be a bit mischievous in terms of trying to delay and be uncooperative. So a common aspect of delay is the other party failing to acknowledge the proceedings. But nowadays we have a no-fault divorce, so no one can defend the process. So one of my points of advice is if there's any element of delay, is to deal with it straight away. My rule of thumb is delay is not your friend. So if someone's not cooperating, seek legal advice and deal with it. To speed up the process, what I'd recommend is almost working backwards. Where do you want to be in 6 months' time? It might be that you do want the marriage to be at an end and that you've got your final divorce order. That will help you with the focus, and then you can cross-check against the progress that is being made. Again, it's very much front-loaded in terms of the system, because when the divorce is started, it will take care of itself, but it just requires some focus and really an ability to navigate the court portal. It's all online now, and just to check that things are moving forward.